morning to the ladies and gentlemen presented here. It is my pleasure to welcome you to MSU TV Fun Learning About Medicine. Without any further ado, today I would like to introduce you to all the special guests who will be joining us today. That will be Dr. Jaya and also Jayasri, sorry, and also Dr. Marjan. Dr. Welcome, Dr. Marjan and also Dr. Jayasri. And hello, doctors. Welcome to the show. Thank you for joining us today on this lovely morning. How are things doing with you currently being in the view of pandemic?
Hello everyone and Miss Case. Thank you for inviting us for this interview. As you all know, COVID-19 demands much more than that being doctors continue to work as normal. Pandemics may necessitate longer hours, potential quarantines and assignments outside one's normal specialty. What distinguishes normal duty from acting beyond the call of duty is not always clear cut. However, experience so far suggests that we doctors are subject to risk of illness, risk of death, fatigue from extended hours, more distress, and when being asked to work at limits of our competencies.
Um, Hello there, Ms. Kess, and thank you for inviting us for today's talk. Well, as you are aware, the COVID-19 has been with us for almost around a year. And in the early stages, it was difficult since we need more time to learn about this disease. But countries around the world have worked together to create vaccines and things started to look good again. Maybe to create vaccines and things started to look good again. Maybe in a few months' time, everything will be back to normal.
That's great to hear all that you all are coping up. Without further delay, let's dive into today's topic. So, Dr. Jayashri, can you explain what is diuretics and their natural source to our audience here?
Okay, diuretics are a class of drugs that increase the flow of urine. Sometimes diuretics can be called as water pills. It helps rid your body of salt, which can be known as sodium and water. Most of them help your kidneys release more sodium into your urine. The sodium takes with it water from your blood, decreasing the amount of fluid flowing through your veins and arteries. This reduces blood pressure in your body. Then the natural source of diuretics are watermelons, lemons, cucumbers, mint tea, green tea, and there are many more.
Other to make the show more interesting and informative, now I would like to introduce you to another two more guests in this show. There will be Shane Warne, is going to be the greatest bowler in the Australian cricket team, and of course, the young and fine Dimitri Nabuku, which is known to be the high jumper from the Rizin. So, hello and good morning to my dear guests. First of all, Mr. Shane, as post-diabetes abuser, could you please share on how severe your condition got before you sought help?
Hi Miss, thank you for inviting me. It is my pleasure to create awareness among the athletes which is in future. So actually I was a cricket player and needed some body stamina and also have to stay light all the time to play the game. As well, in other words, for the temporary body weight loss. For me, I didn't know that it was diuretic. I thought it was a like fluid tablet which nothing to do with the cricket performance and to mask anything, which is my performance. But according to the anti-doping committee, they charged me that I was using the diuretic as a masking agent, which is masking the prohibited drugs that I had been intake. And then the 2 year suspension after hearing that I gained no performance benefit by taking the diuretic. So they just dismiss the plan, which is they are like ignore the suspension and just they are asking me to join back the activity, which is the cricket competitions. So yeah, this was the story behind me actually.
This is certainly an eye-opener, Mr. Shane. So, Mr. Nabuku, you were relatively new to this field of sports. when you made your mark as an athlete. What made you go towards this direction into diuretics? And were you aware of it at the time?
Thank you, Miss Chairperson. Hi, and very good evening to all the panelists and the audience. I am so glad to be one of the guests here. As what the chairperson said just now, I am basically new to this field of sports when I become an athlete. Made me go towards this direction into diuretics was I believe that it can help me flush out my urine for rapid weight loss and to mask the presence of other banned substances. As I said before, I am new to this field, and when I knew diuretics can help to improve my athletic performance, I straight away took it without any doubt.
The athletes. So, in that state, Mr. Shin and Nabucco, what was your mental state or perception when you were consuming an extensive amount of diuretics, and how are the changes affect mentally post rehabilitation?
Okay, for me, I took furosemide without following the prescription and obviously in a good mental state. Sometimes I feel dehydrated and my urine flush darker. I felt anxious and keep on going because I know it could help me win the tournament.
Me, as I mentioned before, I was taken actually the hydrochlorothiazide and also the aminoride. These both are usually known as a diuretic. Actually, I was not having the purpose to take it as a to reducing my body weight. In fact, there's no such a purpose that I want to masking any prohibited drug that I have been taking. Honest, I never feel guilty at that time, and I don't think that I will get bring me until I get banned.
Yes, it's true. When there's a sensational news, media company would like to go and dig on it, and it have caused pressure on user. So before I bring a closure for this event, Athlete Shane and Nabucco would like to deliver some motivational and awareness for the current and future athletes in this field.
Yeah, definitely. I would like to say some for upcoming everything in the life is competition. Do it as a healthy competition by increasing our spirit to win instead of win or lose. Just compete with all of you have win people's heart. If you abuse the drugs, you will end up like us with so many issues, media issues especially, and losing respect even in our family. Yeah. Yes. Thank you.
From
How
my side, as an athlete, we should face the media with things, not with some bad cases, such as drug abusers. And every athlete has their own way of winning. So believe in yourself and take time to practice it. Well, even if it may drag time, but don't ever take the wrong pathway. Winning games is temporary, but winning people's heart is permanent. So remember this and be successful. Thank you.
That's very inspiring to hear from athletes, and we all hope it will motivate all the future and current athletes. This was certainly an interesting, informative session and was an eye opener for every one of us. I really hope many of the viewers out there have learned as much I have learned today on this topic of diuretics. We would like to say thank you so much for to our great doctors and athletes who have taken their time out of their day and joined us today and share such an informative section. Stay tuned at the same time next week for our interesting health talk. Till then, I'm signing off, your host. Thank you.